What are you trying to prove? What are you proving? What are you proving, bro? This dude. Look at him. Who the fuck does he think he is? You think you're cool? You think you're a skater? Is that who you think you are? Because let me tell you something right now, you're fucking not, bro. You're goofy as hell. Goofy looking bird, Dumbass bird. Look at this motherfucker. Look at him. Look at him. He's being so stupid. Okay, well, you can just continue doing that, I guess.